seriously the most amazing conditions that exist. Sun, dappled light with fog and snow just consuming everything and then revealing everything layer by layer. It's amazing. This is absolutely amazing. What's up, guys? People, friends, ladies, everyone. I'm heading up to one of my favorite places. Figured I would have you guys tag along and kind of showcase what I do as a landscape photographer. Looks like we have a pretty big storm rolling in, like right now, pretty close to us. So we'll see a lot of snow, some light, hopefully, and yeah. Just got to the spot where I'm gonna park and hike up to this area that I've ended up finding quite a while ago. I've been looking for a specific spot to photograph from. It's almost the exact view from my house, but much closer to these cliff features. I'm gonna be hiking up this and end up right there momentarily, and I'll hike up farther to the preferred destination. Yeah, that's the view. Freaking sweet. This is my hike. Just about at the top. Oh, looks like the storm pretty much cleared in just a very short amount of time, which tends to happen out here a lot. See it amazing and rush out to go photograph it, and by the time you get there, it's gone. Changes here like that. It's insane. There's a saying that apparently every state has this saying. If you don't like the weather, give it 10 minutes. 5 minutes ago, I was sweating hiking up here. Sunny. It's a freaking blizzard now. Well, about 3 minutes from the last video, if that. Sunny and hot again. See what the camera sees. Guess what? It's snowing again. Oh God. Told you. 15 minutes. my God, these conditions have been freaking amazing. Snow consuming everything, light comes in, just shining light all over the place. The snow slowly starts revealing layers and objects. It's unreal. This has been one of the more enjoyable outings, actually, in the last while. I am beyond grateful to be able to do this for a living. Full-time landscape photography. Get to come out and enjoy these places as much as I do. And I would stay all day if I didn't have a private little workshop for this evening. So, thanks for tagging along. I'm gonna hike out of here and go pick up my clients. Peace out, guys.